Hello skaters! Today we are going to work on a beautiful edge combination using simple forward crossovers, a cross roll, and a step with a cross behind, all while staying on a circle. This exercise is a great way to build edge control and flow, and it also works well as a connecting step into jumps like the toe loop or flip. We'll begin by skating in one direction around the circle. Start with a left forward outside edge, then step into a right forward inside edge crossover. After that, glide on the left forward outside edge and turn slightly toward the center of the circle. Now step into a right forward outside cross roll. This starts to send you back outside the circle. Continue gliding outside the circle, then step and cross behind with your left foot into a left forward inside edge. From there, push into a right forward inside edge, extending your free leg beautifully behind you and glide back toward the circle to begin the sequence again. One forward crossover, left to right, step into a cross roll, right outside edge, step cross behind into left inside edge, and then push into a right inside edge to restart. Make sure to create deep edges and full circle flow with every step. Stretch your free leg behind you and keep your arms extended to the side for balance and elegance. Working in both directions is absolutely essential for building a strong foundation and developing balanced skating skills for future exercises. So now we're going to repeat the same sequence, this time in the opposite direction. Start with a right forward outside edge, then step into a crossover onto the left forward inside edge. Next, glide on the right forward outside edge and then step into a left forward outside cross roll. After that, step with your right foot and cross behind, gliding on a right forward inside edge. Then push onto the left forward inside edge, extending your free leg behind you, and return to the circle to start the sequence again. One crossover, one cross roll, a cross behind, and then step out to glide on a forward inside edge. Focus on clean transitions, deep edges, and strong extension, especially through the free leg and arms. Consistency in both directions will help you feel more control and flow in all your skating. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and skating tutorials. Click on the link above or look in the description below for information about my YouTube membership options. As a member, you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the exercises of your choice. Now we are going to do a similar exercise, but this time we'll be alternating feet. We'll use a combination of cross rolls, cross behind steps, and forward inside edge glides to move from one circle to the next. Start on a left forward outside edge, cross roll into a right forward outside edge, then a second cross roll to a left forward outside edge, cross behind with the right foot, gliding on a right forward inside edge, then step out into the next circle on a left forward inside edge with a strong extension. Now repeat the same pattern starting from the other leg. Cross roll from a right forward outside edge to a left forward outside edge, another cross roll onto a right forward outside edge, step with your left foot cross behind and glide on a left forward inside edge. Then step out onto the next circle with a right forward inside edge. Repeat the sequence, alternating legs each time. Focus on smooth transitions, deep edges, and controlled extension through your free leg and arms. This drill is great for improving edge quality, balance, and rhythm across the ice. The exercises we learned today help you develop deep edges, improve your twist position, strengthen your extension, and enhance your overall flow and control in movement. If you are just starting your skating journey and would like more in-depth tutorials with clear step-by-step instructions, be sure to check out my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. It's perfect for beginners who wants to build strong fundamentals from the ground up, as well as for advanced skaters looking to polish their basic skills and improve technique. Join us on the ice and discover the joy of skating. Sign up today and take your first step towards mastering this beautiful sport. Embrace the thrill of movement and the elegance of figure skating with us. If you have any questions about the course, feel free to email me anytime. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep gliding and keep improving.